Empty the inside of the cabinet and lay the unit down on its side. Insert the casters into the holes on the bottom corners of the unit, making sure that the locking casters are placed in the front. Since we placed the unit on its side, remember to wait 24 hours to plug it in after this step. Then turn the unit upright. Use 4 screws to fasten the tower. Install the guardrail by placing it on top of the cabinet and use screws to secure. Install the CO2 canister, then install the regulator. Check to make sure the plastic washer is inside the hex nut. Fasten the regulator to the CO2 canister, tighten the hex nut. Then attach the wing nut on the end of the small hose to the fitting at the bottom of the regulator. Secure the other end of the small hose to the threaded end of the keg coupler. Place one of the rubber washers inside the wing nut on the one end of the clear hose and attach the keg coupler. Align locks on the keg coupler with the housing on top of the keg. Turn the tap head handle clockwise a quarter turn. Pull the tap handle out and push down until it locks into place to open the port in the keg. Open the CO2 canister valve all the way by turning counterclockwise until it stops. Open the regulator shutoff valve by moving it to the 6 o'clock position. Check the gauge pressure and adjust the regulator knob until the pressure reads between 12 and 14 psi. Next, place the keg on the support shelf and push it back into place. Finally, when ready, plug in your Kegerator and let it run for 24 hours to ensure proper temperature for your beer.